상물로 뜻래 당에 인지계 톤에 단다 연통직 수고 차송 다 인지계 나는 슈고에 가르스나 망부직을 레와시토인데도 인지계 나야 시합이나 슈엔게서 고다 투어 연구도 세제도 신식도 therefore today I'm recording this short video since there have been quite a number of requests from the time I announced my candidacy for 2021 Sikyong position. On 2nd September 2020, I announced my candidature for Sikyong 2021, and at that time, I made it very clear that till the consequences of the unprecedented spread of COVID-19 is contained, I will not be personally able to or physically able to visit Tibetan settlements in India, Nepal, Bhutan, or elsewhere in other countries. But on the other hand, I have mentioned very clearly that the week from then on, I would be speaking on 10 or 11 major important topics that concerns the Tibetan community and the Tibetan cause, which as a future Sikyong should be addressing. In the meantime, for a little over a month, I've been silent, not spoken, and many people are asking or are concerned as to what had happened within that period. So today I come with this message, and I think it's important for me to wear this mask to convey this message. Many people have requested, it has been brought to my attention that I should be physically visiting places in the West or in India, Nepal, Bhutan, where Tibetans reside for the election campaign. In 2016, when there was no COVID-19, I did visit most of the settlements, more than 95% of the Tibetan settlements. But this time, I want to categorically tell you that till a vaccine is developed for COVID-19, or till we are all sure that the public will not be affected because of personal visits. Because when personal visits are involved, then you have to have public gatherings. There is also a lot of question about whether people will follow the guidelines for wearing masks or keeping social distance. If that is not done, or even if that is done, we are all aware that COVID-19 had already penetrated even into the White House, considered to be one of the most secured places in the world. And the numbers speak for themselves. Compared to the beginning of the spread of COVID-19 in March, April, May, June, July, until now, the number has gone up to more than 37, it's almost 38 million affected people and more than 1 million people dead. The numbers are the most in those places where Tibetans reside. In India, the number has crossed 7 million. In the United States, the number has almost reached 8 million. Therefore, as a community leader, as a person who professes or who has voluntarily said that I want to be responsible for the Tibetan cause and Tibetan community, I don't want to be responsible to play with people's lives just because I can get a little more votes by visiting Tibetan settlements. So this I want to convey to you, and be assured that I'll be speaking from this coming weekend on Saturday, October 17th, 7 p.m. India time. That should be about 2:30 p.m. in Europe and about 9 o'clock in United States. The ads for these topics and the timing has already gone out in my official Facebook. So therefore, please listen to what I have to say. I think that is more important than for me to personally visit. But as and when there is a cure for COVID-19, if there is a vaccine or any, not just therapeutics, but a vaccine that cures COVID-19, and if there is no danger to public life, then I will definitely come and visit you. There is no question about it, as I did in 2016. So please be assured, please listen to what I have to say. That is more important, as if you choose me as future Sikyong, you should know what I should be doing for the cause and for the people. That is more important. So this message, this short message is to convince people that it is not wise decision. It is not going to be a wise decision for me to personally visit Tibetan settlements or Tibetan communities right now. So be assured that I'll be doing my job seriously. Thank you very much.